Hey there, content creators! Ready to bring your ideas to life with some wicked animated videos? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to become an animation wizard with VidToon 2.0! And don't forget to click the link in the description below to snag your special offer. First up, let's talk about why VidToon 2.0 is the ultimate tool for making animated videos. Now, imagine this. You, sitting at your computer, and in just a few clicks, bam! You've got yourself a professional animated video. Sounds like magic, right? That's VidToon 2.0 for you. With VidToon 2.0's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, even if you're like me and have the artistic talent of a potato, you can still create mind-blowing animations. They've got a whole library of pre-animated characters, backgrounds, and music. It's like having a team of artists, but without the awkward small talk. Need to make an explainer video for your latest project? Or maybe some eye-catching social media content? VidToon 2.0 has got your back. And the best part? You don't need to sell a kidney to afford it. With lifetime access, you pay once and get all the future updates. Talk about a sweet deal. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does it stack up against the competition? Well, let's see. Toonly is great, but can be a bit pricey. Animaker has more features, but it's like trying to fly a spaceship. Powtoon? Awesome for businesses, but might leave a dent in your wallet. VidToon 2.0 hits the sweet spot with ease of use, affordability, and lifetime access. It's like the Goldilocks of animation software. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about how easy and fun it is to use VidToon 2.0. Sure, some have mentioned minor performance hiccups, but with responsive customer support, you're never left hanging. Plus, they're always rolling out updates to make things even smoother. So, what are you waiting for? Go click that link in the description and get your hands on VidToon 2.0 with a special offer. Unleash your inner animator and start creating videos that not only impress, but also make you look like a total pro. Alright, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Happy animating!